Okay, welcome. Here's the introduction to EasyGrade Pro Web. Hopefully I'll give you enough information here to get you going. The very first thing you need to do is go to that email I sent out that will take you to a page with activation codes for teachers. So I'm going to use Rob Shifts to get going because I already set up my account. We are just going to triple click on his activation code and copy it. Then we're going to go to the Edline site, which is www.edline.net. There's also a link in that email I sent out. Because Rob doesn't have a account yet, we're going to click down here where it says activate new code. We're going to paste that activation code in and click enter. It asks if we're Robert Schiff. We're going to say yes. We agree. Now we're going to activate a new account, so we're going to click the new account button. And if Edline already has a user that goes by the same username that you might use, for instance, Rob's is going to be rschiff. I already tried it, so I know that that is already taken. So I'm going to make his username Rob Schiff, all one word. Now you can use any username you want. His password is going to be Chargers123 to get him going. That's something he can always go back and change anytime he wants. I'm going to fix his name here so it's not all caps. And once I've done that, I'm going to click continue. Don't worry about this. This is something my computer does. Now it says his email address. Well, let's add all the information asked for. He's going to be rschiff@dphs.org. Then it asked you to want to display my email address on home pages, allow my school to send. Those are all choices you can make. We're going to leave them all set to yes. Then it asks for a security question. We're going to ask who's his best friend. And we're going to put me as the answer. Again, you can do whatever you want. And we're going to click update. Now, we get to this page that provides all sorts of great help. So if you need help setting up anything, you can always come back to this page and it has guides. But we're done setting up Rob's account. So we're going to go up here on the upper left-hand corner and click done. And it takes us to Rob's web page, and you can see all his classes are listed over here. Before we do anything, we need to install the EasyGrade Pro web plugin. If you're using a Mac at school, this is already done. So this is only for you at home, and it will have to be installed in your home computer, or if you're on a PC. So we're going to click Get EGP Web Plugin. It's going to say, do you want to download and install? We're going to click yes. And then over here, we have to click select open with disk mounter if you're on a Mac, or however you do it on a PC, and then click OK. And the web installer begins to download. It's very small, only takes a second. And I need to go back now. Be sure to go back and quit Firefox. Yeah, we want to quit. Okay. Over here we are going to open the installer, and as you can see, it's right here, EasyGrade Pro Web Installer, and we're going to install it. Now remember, keep in mind this is already installed on the Macs at campus, and in fact it's not going to even let you try to install it since it's already installed. So we're going to double click on this and get this going. Here it comes. We're going to click continue, continue. Yes, we want to install. It's finishing. And then it actually launches EasyGrade Pro Web for you. Okay, so now you're going to use the screen name and the password you just used to log in. So Rob's was Rob Schiff. Ribshift. Robshift. His password was Chargers 1, 2, 3. And we're going to click sign in. And as you can see, it opens up a window that looks a lot like EasyGrade Pro, and then it says we need to add classes, edit terms. Now, I made my terms, I just called them Semester 1 and Semester 2. You can call them anything. You can call them, first semester, second. I just found Semester 1 and Semester 2 easiest. And click OK. All right, we are going to continue. Now it says English 10. So you can call these anything you want to call them. With Rob's, we're just going to erase the P. We're going to mark that it's second semester. The way our system setup is kind of screwy, that all our student aides have separate classes. You'll see in a second. He's well liked, obviously. Okay, now we have the EasyGrade Pro window that looks like the EasyGrade Pro we know and love. Now we're going to go to choose a class. We're going to do second semester English. Now something that's going to mess people up is that you're going to want your classes in order. In fact, when I did mine, I put like 1 before first period, 2 before second. But they still weren't in order. So to get your classes in order, you're going to let's see here. You're going to go over here again to view once we get our classes in, and I'll show you how to do it. Anyways, let's go and choose a class. Let's start off with his second semester English 10 class. It says you have students that need to be added. We're just going to view and edit class options. Yeah, for the sake of time, I'm not going to do any of this right now. You can set it up however you want, but I'm going to click done. And then it says you have, again, 33 students that need to be added. So click OK. And then they all are. Very nice. If you click on them, it has all their information already. You'll have to, if you want to set their gender, their email addresses, you'll have to do that. But we need to do that for every one of the classes. So we're going to go through to each of the classes and do the same thing. Okay, I skipped ahead and I got all of Rob's classes in. So here's where I was talking about if you need to sort your classes. You can do it right here. It's very easy. Drag and drop, put them in whatever order you want. That's basically it. It works just like EasyGrade Pro. I want to go back really quick to the website. The last thing I want to show you is over here on the Command Center. If I click Semester 2, it's going to try to open EasyGrade Pro, and you get this little thing in Firefox. It's going to be different in Explorer and a little different in Safari, but over here it says Launch Application. So you're going to click Choose, and you're going to find EasyGrade Pro Web Starter. Click Open, click Remember, and click OK. And now every time you're on your page and you click a link for one of your classes, it's going to open your EasyGrade Pro page. Anyways, good luck. If you have any questions, post them on the EasyGrade Pro section of the web. The forum. Thanks. Bye.